How to verify Remitly account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your Remitly account. Now the process itself was pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Remitly application and make sure you're logged into your account. Here I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is, if you're not verified, it'll ask you to verify right there on the home page. So as you can see, it says we need some information from you to complete your request. Now here, so you can tap on it and it will take you to this sending limit option. Now however, if you don't get this pop-up right here on your home screen, you can tap on the manage option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you want to head into profile. Under it you'll find the option here, once on manage, you'll be able to see the option increase transfer limits. So right here what you want to do is, you can see tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Now here you can see what information is needed here. So what do you need? So your full name, your residential address, your date of birth and last 4 digits of your SSN. Then once you do this, if you want to upgrade furthermore, then you'll have to verify furthermore and head into tier 2. And here you can see it'll ask you to provide tier 1 information if not already approved, then your full SSN or ITIN, your government issued photo, additional information about your use of service including details of source funds. Then once you upgrade it, here you can tap on continue and go ahead and verify. Similarly, once you do so, you'll be able to tap continue on tier 3 as well, and here you'll have to first complete tier 2 as I already said, and then additional information on your use of service. So this is how you can go ahead and verify your account. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.